Hello and welcome to beautiful Sierra Vista, Arizona. Today's featured property is 750 Pampas Place, located in the Meadows subdivision. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,300 square feet. It also has a bonus room and a gas fireplace. This home is a short sale, and if you'd like some help with that, we're here to help you. If you'd like to see this home or any other home in our market, please give us a call. My name is Courtney Allison, and I can be reached on my cell phone at 520-678-0914, or you can call my colleague, Tom Begney. He can be reached on his cell phone at 520-227-8884.